Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Palmyra, Ontario, a quaint settlement located in the western part of Elgin County. Though small, Palmyra is part of a region rich in history and rural charm. One of the notable features in Palmyra is a historic barn that stands as a testament to the area's agricultural heritage. The current owner has taken great care to preserve this structure, even reconstructing a fallen cupola to maintain its original appearance. This effort reflects the community's dedication to preserving its historical landmarks. Palmyra's location offers residents and visitors a peaceful rural atmosphere, characteristic of many communities within Elgin County. The county itself is known for its scenic landscapes, combining small-town charm with access to urban amenities. While Palmyra may not be widely recognized, its connection to the broader history and culture of Elgin County makes it a noteworthy spot for those interested in exploring Ontario's diverse communities.
Thanks for watching!